Alright, back here again this week, chasing some bluegills in northwest Montana. There's only a few places that have them, mostly just pumpkin seeds around here. So it should be a good day. Pushing for some jumbos, but you know, if we get 9 inches, we'll be happy. This week we're hoping for some comments. Let's hear what you guys have to say. We're always looking for input, good or bad. Tell us what you think. If all else fails, get outside and do something. There's one big one that swam back under there. This one's a really light color. Look at that guy, he's like white.
Get some of these little ones hook shy. That's what we need to do.
Do they get hook shy? Do bluegills get hook shy?
I hope so.
Oh, that one is so small. I'm not even saying set the hook. Get on there, look at that.
I see it.
I didn't even set the hook. Well, biggest fish of the day, I win. I win.
Oh God, what?
I didn't even set the hook. I didn't even set the hook. I was hoping he'd spit it out, but he hooked himself. No, that's a giant bass. Look at that giant. Woo! He's good looking. He's a good looking little guy though. He's healthy.
Move out further or something, Jake. I'm stuck in the middle of those both and I can't fish either side.
Gotcha. There's a better one there.
Oh, that's a good one. I got one of those big ones on.
Nice.
Look at that one.
These are some bass right there too.
Look at this one.
Oh
Jake.
yeah, dude.
Jake.
That's a little
Fish
fatty.
my water.
Jake.
There you go. Fish up. Put my damn pole in the water. I don't realize this damn. Ooh. Just hold still.
Freaking, I like having my hand in there.
Yeah, I
as
was
a
just thinking
reference.
maybe too. Do that. Oh yeah. That's 9. Huh?
Yeah, all day. 10
Oh,
ounces.
10 ounces. Nice. Not
That's a
quite
good-
3/4. What's 3/4? 12.
All right. That's a great.
You got any more of those little big heads?
Yeah. There's another big
I
one.
dropped them like that.
Look at that. Another good one.
Now that you showed me a little some knowledge.
Woo! Pound for pound, these little shits fight. Oh, pretty good.
Be cool to go house.
Black is cold. Look at that one. Look at the colors on that one.
That is
Oh,
way
cool.
cool.
Well, some of the bigger ones got, like the bigger ones got big mouths too. You got a pretty mouth.
One damn pretty mouth. Off the boat.
If it was Kinder, I'd say you could get it. Those are a little pricey.
Yeah. No, I'm with you.
$3 a pop.
You want to pass me those bad boys?
I do. Ooh. Little sidewinder. Good little sidewinder. Boom, sucker. Here you go, Thomas.
There you go.
There you are, sir.
There we go, finally. Man. There we go. Finally got that big boy. See, that one was this one was a bitch to catch. This guy did not want to bite. Well, every time you charge it, someone jump in front of him.
Will that drain itself too?
Yeah, when it overflows, it'll drain out right here. So there's an overflow hose. It's probably gonna start overflowing pretty quick. Yeah, they're all swimming up to the boat. It's not a bad one, but the big one's sitting there and he comes up and swipes it. You see that bass sitting there? Left side of the dock is just bluegills everywhere. Alright, drifting in.
One.
Nice.
Big gilly gill.
I didn't know you had that one caught. I was like, what's wrong with that fish?
What is wrong with that fish?
That's fucking swimming sideways.
So this is a good way to do it.
Yeah.
I'll get out of there real quick. I can't see. To get some light. There we go. Alright, we filled the cooler, a Livewell with bluegill today. Somewhere between, what, 6 and 10 inches? 6 and 9?
Yeah, right in there.
So Ray's gonna dip them out. See how many we got.
Alright.
There's one kicking hard, you might, you know.
3, 4, 5, 6. 38, 39. There's
40.
a 40 stack there.
One dip net is 40 fish. And we put back that many or more, right?
Yeah.
All right, net number 2.
$70, $71, $72, $73.
73.
2 scoops.
2 scoops, 73.
$100, $102, $104, $105.
105 fish in the Livewell, not counting the 100 you put back.
Yeah, baby.
I'll set it right out there in the bed and then we'll come back and sit there for today.